Helga from Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking. Welcome to Helga's Happy Holidays. Another cookie recipe. Now, I was planning on making gingerbread sometime this season, and actually the full gingerbread house and gingerbread men and stuff we'll get to in a future date. But Mike was hungry for ginger snaps, so why not make them? He prefers his crunchy. Actually, I do too, because I use ginger snaps actually for a basis, crumbled for other applications in baking and making desserts. It's also really good on lobster mac and cheese. It gives it some pop. I actually add a little bit more ginger than what the recipe calls for, because we do like that ginger pop of flavor, that snap. So these are the crunchier cookies. These are not chewy and as soft. These harden up after they have cooled. So let's make these and let's get to it. Here are the ingredients for our ginger snaps. We have flour, sugar divided, butter, the molasses, the egg, cloves, cinnamon, ginger, salt, baking soda, and brown sugar. I'm going to add my butter, the 1 cup of divided sugar, and my brown sugar, and we're going to beat for about 2 minutes or until fluffy. I have my oven preheating to 350 degrees, and my cookie sheets are lined with parchment paper. Now I'm going to add in my egg and molasses, and then we'll beat this well also before adding in the next part. Now I'm going to add the ginger, the salt, the cinnamon, cloves, and baking soda. And I'll start mixing that and adding my flour. All done. Now I'm going to take these, roll these into balls, roll in regular sugar, and we're going to bake them. So I'm going to roll these into balls, roll them in my sugar, and put them on the plate.
Hey, the raw batter's good. If the cookies taste anything like the batter once they're cooked, they will be yummy.
Yeah, this is a case that the cookie dough might not all make it into the oven. Let's get these covered in sugar. These will go in to the preheated 350 degree oven for roughly 15 minutes. Ready to go. And the first batch is out. Taste test time. Here they are. You want to do them for the 15 minutes. I did them for 13, and they still have a little chewiness in the middle, but the outside's good and crunchy. But I would do them for the full 15 minutes. This is what the inside looks like. You can see it good there. And these are so good. We both love ginger and love ginger snaps and gingerbread, so these are awesome. Such good flavor. I add, like I said, a little bit more ginger than the original recipe calls for, because we really like that good gingery. They're ginger snaps. They're supposed to have good ginger in them. So definitely go to. They're easy to do. Way better than in the store. And like I said, do them for the full 15 minutes because they'll harden all the way through, There's only a little bit in the center that's a little chewy. But if you want them for crumbling, like I do for other applications, do them all the way. If you want them to have a little bit softer, a little bit chewier, 12 to 13 minutes in my gas oven. At least that's what I found. But man, they are stinking delicious. And they still snap when you break them apart. So there's that. They are ginger snaps. So this was another one for Helga's Happy Holidays. Really good ginger snap cookies. Give it a shot.